So this that we have here can always go into the compost of your bin, so your food bin. So just separate it, don't add it to the normal bin that you make. Hey beautiful people, welcome to the channel again. So this is a very short video on how I cook some beetroot, put it in the fridge. That lasts for about 3 days, and I just eat it when I feel like I need more iron, because it's very good. And so this is what I have done. Normally I would freeze some, juice some, and cook some. So I hope you guys can see the bowl. So it's just a few because it doesn't last for a long time when you cook it, for about 3 days. And this is my water. There's no need to measure the water. And with this pot, I can just put a little bit and still it would cook. So my fire on, and what I would do next is just cover it, and in about 5 to 7 minutes it's going to be ready. If you feel you need iron, if you feel you get tired so often, then you should look into buying beetroot. And I prefer buying the raw one or the fresh one. So I mean, you saw what I did with it. That's how I do it. And with a liquid, you can also drink it. So it's a no-brainer. If you like all that we're doing on this channel, please show us some love by subscribing to our channel. It is very free. Love is free. And also click the bell for notification and give us a thumbs up for all that we are doing here. And this is, I mean, a health aspect of the cooking and everything that we do. During the summer times, we do lots and lots of things, juicing, smoothies, and all that. So it's going to come your way. Don't worry at all. Stay tuned, stay blessed. Remember that you're fearfully and wonderfully made. Love you guys. Catch you later. Bye.